Choosing the right accessories for your GoPro Lit Hero can transform it from a capable pocket action cam into a flexible, rugged, and creative rig suited for any environment. Here's a guide of 5 top accessories for Lit Hero that elevate your shooting capabilities.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have GoPro Official Suction Cup Mount. A suction cup mount is a go-to accessory when you want to attach your Lit Hero to smooth surfaces such as vehicle bodies, windows, boats, or even appliances. Secure your GoPro to cars, boats, motorcycles, and more with this industrial-strength suction cup mount. Tested at speeds over 150 miles per hour, it's engineered for stability and a wide range of motion. Adjustable arms allow for compact mounting, and it includes both a standard base and a quick-release base for easy repositioning between shots and locations. For optimal hold, attach the mount to a clean, smooth surface. This mount is ideal for capturing action from dynamic vantage points, dash cams, side window views, or curved surfaces. Because the Lit Hero is compact and lightweight, such a mount can handle it well without stressing the adhesive or suction. It gives you mobility, flexibility, and the ability to shoot from positions you couldn't otherwise secure with clamps or straps. On number 2, we have GoPro Tripod plus ball head. Stability and precise orientation are essential for time lapses, low light long exposures, or static capture sessions. This compact tripod features adjustable legs that can be locked at various angles, extended or laid flat, allowing you to capture the perfect shot even on uneven surfaces like rocks, sand, or water. Its ball head rotates 360° and tilts up to 90°, providing versatile shooting angles and locks securely in place to prevent slipping while on the move. The rubberized camera platform ensures your camera stays firmly positioned. Made from durable aluminum, the tripod is waterproof and designed to keep sand out. The legs fold completely, allowing it to function as a small handheld grip, or you can attach a compatible 1x4 to 20 extension pole for invisible pole shots with a 360 camera. On number 3, we have GoPro Magnetic Latch Ball Joint Mount. When you need quick reorientation, ease of mounting, and flexible angles, the Magnetic Latch Ball Joint Mount is among the most elegant solutions. The Magnetic Latch Ball Joint Mount allows you to quickly transfer your Lit Hero between GoPro mounting setups, enabling smooth rotation and tilt for capturing new angles. Magnets align the adapter with your camera, and auto-engaging latches secure it without the need for thumb screws, releasing easily with a pinch. Built with a durable metal shell, this mount is engineered to withstand rugged action. This mounting style is great when you're combining speed and precision, such as capturing moving subjects, mounting on helmets, or switching angles on the fly and wanting minimal fuss. On number 4, we have GoPro Mini Extension Pole Plus Tripod. A mini extension pole that doubles as a tripod gives you reach and versatility in one tool. Extended, it lets you lift the Lit Hero above crowds, capture over obstacles, or pull it back for wider framing. Collapsed, it acts as a compact tripod for stable placement. This hybrid accessory is perfect for vloggers, travel shooters, and those who shift between handheld motion and grounded stability. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and its design often includes a wrist strap or grip surface for secure handling. With the ability to mount the camera at a distance or set it on a surface, this accessory brings both reach and rigidity to your setup. On number 5, we have GoPro Waterproof Shutter Remote. Controlling your Lit Hero in challenging conditions, especially when the camera is mounted in hard-to-reach or wet environments, becomes much easier with a waterproof shutter remote. This remote lets you start and stop recording, capture photos, or change certain settings from afar without touching the camera. Because it's waterproof, you can take advantage of underwater shots, rain, spray zones, or marine environments without compromising control. When your camera is mounted on a helmet, extension pole, or remote mount, the shutter remote gives you hands-free access to control without risking repositioning or stopping the action to physically reach the cam. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.